Pig farmers and processors go through an elaborate process, requiring meticulousness and experience to ensure meat quality as well as economic efficiency. First of all, the selection of breeds is very important, because healthy pig breeds with the ability to gain weight quickly, such as Landrace, Yorkshire or Duroc pigs, are often prioritized. Farmers must build reasonable barns, ensure ventilation, cleanliness, and have a waste treatment system to avoid disease. Pig nutrition is strictly controlled, from piglet stage to adulthood, including industrial bran, self-mixed feed such as corn, soybeans and mineral supplements to help pigs grow well. During the raising process, farmers regularly vaccinate against diseases such as African swine fever, foot and mouth disease, and blue ear to protect the herd from disease. When the pigs reach standard weight, about 90 to 120 kilograms, they are transported to slaughterhouses for slaughter and processing. The slaughtering process follows a strict procedure, from stunning the pig, shaving the hair, removing the internal organs to classifying different parts of the meat. After that, the pork is processed into many products such as ham, sausage, or packaged to supply the market. Thanks to the application of modern technology, the pig farming and processing process is becoming more and more scientific, helping to increase productivity, reduce environmental pollution and ensure food safety. Farmers are also increasingly focusing on organic farming models, closed farming, to meet the increasing demand of consumers for clean and safe food sources. In addition to traditional farming methods, many farms today have applied high technology to improve production efficiency and minimize risks. Modern barn systems often use ventilation fans, cooling systems and automatic waste treatment, helping to keep the farming environment clean and reduce the risk of disease. Some large farms also apply a closed pig farming model according to VietGAP or Global GAP standards, controlling everything from breeding, feeding to processing and consumption, helping to ensure meat quality. In addition, the application of digital technology in livestock management has also become popular. Pig health monitoring applications, automatic feeding systems and environmental sensors help farmers monitor the status of their pigs remotely, saving labor and improving productivity. In addition, the use of organic, antibiotic-free feed and increased biological products are also being encouraged to create cleaner, safer products for consumers. After slaughter, pork is stored in cold storage to maintain its freshness before being brought to market. Some modern processing facilities also apply vacuum and quick freezing technology to extend storage time while ensuring quality. Pork products such as bacon, ham, sausage or canned food are produced in a closed chain, ensuring food hygiene and safety before reaching consumers. With the development of technology and increasing market demand, the pork farming and processing industry is constantly innovating, aiming at sustainable production. Farmers not only focus on quantity but also care about product quality. thereby increasing economic value and meeting domestic consumption and export needs in addition to applying modern techniques to farming and processing. Farmers also pay attention to environmental protection and sustainable development. One of the biggest challenges in the pig farming industry is waste treatment. Because manure and wastewater from barns can cause pollution if not treated properly. Currently, many farms have invested in biogas systems, which both help reduce pollution and utilize gas as biofuel for daily life or electricity production. The waste after treatment can also be used as organic fertilizer for crops, creating a closed cycle, helping to minimize negative impacts on the environment. In addition, the trend of organic pig farming is growing to meet the demand for clean and safe food of consumers. Organic pig farms often do not use industrial feed containing antibiotics, growth promoters or growth hormones, but instead use natural grains, vegetables and probiotics to stimulate digestion. Pigs are raised in conditions close to nature, with comfortable space for movement, making the meat firmer and more delicious. Although the cost of raising organic pigs is higher than the traditional method, the economic value is also greater because the product is highly appreciated for its quality. In the processing stage, improving food safety standards plays an important role, especially when the export market is increasingly expanding. Pork processing enterprises must strictly comply with international standards such as HACCP, ISO or FDA to ensure that pork is not contaminated with pathogens, chemicals or harmful bacteria. Some countries such as Japan, Korea or Europe have very high requirements for the quality of imported meat. So many farms and processing enterprises in Vietnam are investing heavily in technology to meet international market standards. In general, the livestock and pork processing industry is making great strides, not only helping farmers increase their income but also contributing to the development of a sustainable agricultural economy. In the future, with the support of science and technology and incentive policies from the state, the Vietnamese pig farming industry can reach further in the world market, providing high-quality food sources for domestic and foreign consumers. In addition to the economic benefits that the pig farming and processing industry brings, farmers also face many challenges, especially the problem of disease, price fluctuations and competitive pressure in the market. African swine fever has caused serious losses to the livestock industry, significantly reducing the total herd and causing many small-scale farmers to go bankrupt. To cope with this situation, farms have stepped up vaccination, strengthened biosecurity measures such as periodic disinfection, restricted access to barns by strangers and controlled input feed sources. In addition, pork prices often fluctuate due to the influence of supply and demand. feed costs and import and export situations. When the price of live pigs increases, people rush to raise pigs, leading to oversupply and a sharp drop in prices. On the contrary, when the supply is in short supply due to disease or increased production costs, pork prices can be pushed up, affecting consumers. To minimize risks, many pig farmers have linked up with businesses and cooperatives to ensure stable output, avoiding dependence on market fluctuations. Competition in the pork processing industry is also increasingly fierce as many large enterprises enter the market. Large food corporations have invested in closed production chains, from raising, slaughtering, processing to distribution, creating advantages in scale and product prices. Meanwhile, small and medium-sized establishments must find ways to improve quality. Build brands and develop specialty products to attract customers. Some businesses focus on niche markets such as organic pork, wild boar meat. Wild boar meat or products processed by traditional methods to create a difference. Despite many difficulties, the livestock and pork processing industry still has many opportunities for development thanks to support from the state and modern consumption trends. Policies to encourage the development of high-tech agriculture, support loans, technical training and expand export markets help farmers have more motivation to invest and improve production models. In addition, the development of e-commerce and modern distribution systems make pork and processed products more accessible to consumers. In the future, the livestock and pork processing industry needs to continue to innovate, apply science and technology to increase efficiency. Ensure quality and move towards sustainable development. Investing in biosafety farming, deep processing and building strong brands will help Vietnamese pork increase its value and compete better in the international market. One of the important trends in the livestock and pork processing industry in the coming time is the application of high technology in production. Many large farms have applied smart livestock models, using automatic sensor systems to monitor temperature and humidity in barns, monitor pig health and optimize rations. Livestock management software also helps farmers monitor the growth process of pigs, control diseases in a timely manner and improve livestock performance. These innovations not only help reduce labor costs but also increase productivity, limit risks due to environmental factors. In addition, the pork processing industry is also changing strongly with many advanced technologies. Deep cold storage technology, vacuuming or high-frequency wave treatment help extend storage time while maintaining meat quality. Some businesses also apply blockchain technology to trace the origin of meat, helping consumers easily check information about the livestock, slaughter and processing process. This trend is especially important as consumers are increasingly interested in clean, safe food with clear origins. In addition to the domestic market, Vietnamese pork also has great opportunities to expand exports. Markets such as China, Korea, Japan and the EU are in great demand for high-quality pork, especially processed products such as sausages, ham or cold cuts. However, to penetrate these demanding markets, Vietnam needs to improve production processes according to international standards, strictly control antibiotic residues and ensure food hygiene and safety. At the same time, the livestock and pork processing industry also needs to aim for sustainable development, minimizing environmental impacts, utilizing livestock waste to produce organic fertilizers, applying environmentally friendly waste treatment systems and using renewable energy sources in production will help this industry develop in the long term. The government and agricultural organizations are also promoting the circular economic model in livestock farming, encouraging people and businesses to apply green solutions to reduce pollution. In short, the livestock and pork processing industry is facing many challenges but also has countless opportunities to develop strongly in the future. With the combination of science and technology, modern production models and